Okay, guys. Say what?
Merry
Christmas!
everyone.
Yeah, so guys, so now we got some presents here from Santa. Right, darling? Now Charles want to open it. Okay, Charles, which one? It's up to you.
Let's do Leah first because
Yeah.
she's the littlest.
There's a name, the sticker's name.
Leah wants to open this one.
This is for Leah.
I
You
know.
open it.
I'll open it for
Yeah.
Leah.
This is, guys, this is Leah, Charlotte's doll. Hi, Merry Christmas, guys. Whoa.
She always do gymnastics. So
Leah always do gymnastics. Can you
help you?
just make a hole and then
It's super fluffy, little guys.
fluff?
Whoa.
What's that?
What?
What?
A Barbie pencil case for Leah? Leah, I got you a Barbie pencil case.
Pencil case? Are you sure the pencil
a
case?
bag.
A backpack. Barbie.
Backpack.
Leah, you got this. Guys, look. Barbie backpack. Look. Can you use it to school?
What?
It's too small to be used to school.
Leah will use it to
Okay,
school.
Leah. So this is for you, okay? Thank you, guys. Thank you, Santa.
Okay.
Now, once done, here.
My turn now.
Wow. Your name?
I
For
think
you, you
it's
mean?
hard for my. Oh, there it is.
Just choose. Oh, until there, right? The presents until back of the Christmas tree, guys.
And guys, I got a big Barbie.
Are you sure Santa buy you?
Yeah.
Make that for you?
Yep, I saw it a really big one.
What's that?
Oh,
A fan. Guys, Charlotte got a mini fan.
It's a gold one.
Whoa. Open it. Open up.
Okay.
Okay, guys.
Show it.
I didn't wish this in my wish list.
It's not on your wish list.
No.
So,
Wow.
oh, guys, it's a fan, guys.
For mommy.
Cherry.
How to on it? Oh, you just press this.
Ah.
Oh,
Wow.
Oven.
that's good. So, oh, 3-speed, guys. Okay, put it back. Okay, a very mini fan that you can put in your bag, right? Wherever you go.
Now it's mommy's turn. I will get it for you, mommy.
For mommy.
For mommy.
Yep.
Okay, that's for mommy. Mommy, you're not
Yeah,
in the camera. Yeah,
Get closer.
get closer. Yeah.
I want to open my other.
Let's see what mommy got down there.
Wow.
What's that? A Christmas decoration?
Oh, it's over.
Just the box.
Mommy.
Just for Chacha. The name?
The name is mommy.
Oh, for Chacha. Mommy.
Mommy. For Chacha.
Whoa, what is this, darling?
What the?
A small things. Accessory.
Yeah.
This is like a luggage you asked on your wishes, right?
Yeah, for
The luggage,
for
guys.
Barbie doll.
And then this is a backpack also. And then this is a lock, right? I think. And then this one is what?
That's for bag.
This one is
Table.
table, guys. This one is table. So we can,
Make it leather.
yeah, make it better. Okay, now,
But why the name is small?
yeah,
I don't
Santa
know.
put,
Santa
made it
the
wrong,
name.
darling.
Sorry.
Santa made it wrong. Come on,
Your turn, Pa.
find
I
my
cannot
name.
find yours.
It's okay, just find the one that you can see first, darling. Come on.
I don't know this.
That's for who?
I think yours is down.
This is for who?
This is yeah.
Ah, this one.
Oh.
This one.
For me, guys, I'm going to open my
What do you get?
present, guys.
What?
The same fan.
Mommy.
But I think this one is different color, right?
Yeah.
Let's see what color that I have. Charlotte is gold and purple or pink.
Yours got purple.
Mine is purple. Woohoo! Nice. Thank
I
you,
like
Santa.
I like my color.
Open all.
Ah, like this.
I don't like that. I like my
Yeah,
color
this is
better.
main color, right?
Whoa!
Okay.
Now it's Leah's turn.
Just Leah. Okay, guys.
What did Leah get? What? What?
What?
What?
Wow. What clear that? Wow.
What?
Read it.
What?
A bottle.
Oh, you open it.
What?
A water bottle.
Come on. Take it out.
Use this. What's that?
It's Leah got a water bottle.
You ask this?
Yeah. I
Oh.
asked Leah. I asked to Santa. Santa, can you give Leah a water bottle?
Guys, a water bottle for Leah, guys. Wow, it's
Yay.
cute. So you can put it out. Oh, this is bottle tie. Nice. Wow.
You like it, Leah?
24 bottles.
Yes. I love it.
Wow. This is from who? What is the brand of this? 24?
Bottle.
24 bottles, guys. So this is 24 bottles. Yeah.
Now it's my turn,
Nice,
guys.
guys.
I saw my name.
Put it back inside. Okay. That's for you?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, boss sit there. Boss can be sit there.
No, I don't want.
I think you can use it. Yeah, that's a borrow it.
No, mommy, it's okay.
Push.
Wow.
What's that?
What's that? Huh?
Christmas decoration? Yeah, Christmas decoration, but that's just the box, guys.
No. You have to clean it.
Oh, this one, this. Yeah, Papa help you, okay? Oh, this one first, and then pull this out. Yes.
There's something.
What? Oh,
What's this?
sofa.
Sofa?
Barbie.
What do you
Open
mean?
it.
Sofa?
Let's
Is
see.
it
I
a
don't
sofa?
I don't know what is it.
You asked for sofa on your list?
What?
I don't know. What?
How?
This can sit here.
Oh, like that, yeah.
And a pillow.
Yeah, oh guys, so cute guys. So it's like a sofa for Leah, right? You can
Yep.
Leah can sit here and then put the pillow there. Oh, it's cute. I don't think you can
Barbie.
sit here.
This is for Barbie.
For Barbie, okay, for Barbie, okay.
Thank
Okay.
you, Santa. I really like it.
Okay, you're welcome. Santa reply, come on. That's for Tata. Just open it.
Yes, and then mommy. I think this one is mommy's.
Yeah, that's mommy. Yeah.
Did you get it?
Okay, mommy. Whoa. Give to mommy, darling.
That's okay. This is yours.
Thank you, Tata.
Mommy, you're not on the screen.
I love these, you know?
Yeah.
It's like really cute.
Half.
Whoa, a box.
A box, but open it, mommy.
What's inside?
A box, but Zara, but open it, mommy.
Maybe inside not that one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. What, guys?
Let's see what it. You got the shirt.
Wow! Open the shirt, mommy. Wow! Merry Christmas, mommy.
Merry
Look at bottles.
The bottles drop.
Now it's your turn.
I cannot find mine. It's okay, don't bother. Just yours first. How about this? Something that you can see first. It's up to you, darling. You choose.
It's a sock.
It's a socks, guys. Salad got 2 pairs of socks, guys. Look. Wow. You cannot be stick. That's good.
Oh yeah, now it's your turn. I'll open it for you.
That's for Leah?
There's a name.
Okay. There's Leah. Open it. I hope you.
I know.
You know?
I hope it.
Make a hole.
Yep. You continue, darling.
What? What?
What?
Leah, you got some. What? Is this already empty?
That's just the box, right?
No.
You can push it. Push, yeah.
No, I think.
Yep.
Okay, Leah, what you get?
Da-da-da-da. What's that?
I think this is mine.
Wow.
Leah, you can play with me.
Wow, guys, a collection of Barbie clothes, right?
Yeah, Leah,
Wow,
you can
that's
play
the
with
hat.
me.
The hat, guys. Look, this is hat also.
Yeah.
Wow. And then, just show one by one.
And
Cha.
I got some hats.
Oh, this is a
Here.
pair, Daddy.
And then-
This is with this. Look,
Oh, and
Right.
then I got the shirt.
and
This
then
shirt.
this one
And I
with
got this shirt.
this one with this. Cha. Look.
Yep, and I got that shirt. And
Oh, that's still in
I-
the plastic.
What? What is this?
I'll put it back, okay?
Santa make wrong names. I think Santa is joking.
Santa wants to prank you.
This is what, slippers? No?
No, a shirt.
Oh, this one
And
also.
then we also got this shirt. I really
Wow.
love this one.
Cute, guys. Look, cute. Cute,
Yay!
guys. Yay! Put it back, okay?
I think that's size of my butt.
Yeah, you can use it. Where's the box? Okay. Where's
Yay!
here? Come on, continue.
Yes,
Open.
happy.
Cha.
Yes, happy. Cha-cha, this one.
Okay, let's
That's
see
for
what
who,
I
Cha-cha?
got.
Let's put there.
Cha-cha, it's Melia, right?
Huh?
Cha-cha.
No, Baba Barbie.
Whoa!
What's that?
I don't know what it is.
Wow, we do the unboxing later, okay?
Yeah, this is
Wow.
like for your house.
For your house. So guys, this is Barbie. Barbie to do some makeup, Cha.
Yep.
Right? What's the name actually here? I don't
see
know.
my name over here.
So Cha, you can put on your Barbie's house, darling. Right?
Which one?
Nice.
Mommy.
Oh, that's what we got.
Ah,
Huh?
The
The
same.
same. A van,
Yeah.
but different color. What? Oh, pink and green.
Pink and green.
Guys, look,
Let
guys.
me get mine over here.
Let me show you again the
I'm
cat.
not getting
Pink and green for
my
mommy.
one. I'm getting mine.
That's for you.
Yep, this is mine. See?
Open up, please.
Okay. I'll open it up.
Whoa, it's good.
It's like Barbie too. It's like, yeah.
Yup, you got Barbie
I
again.
love Barbie.
This is on your list, right?
Oh, this is the cooking.
Oh, the kitchen set, I think.
Yep, it's a kitchen set.
Wow, guys, look the kitchen set of Barbie, guys.
For Barbie
There's a
house,
sink.
right?
Yeah,
Yeah, you can put in your Barbie's house, so your
Yeah.
Barbie house will be complete. Wow. So we got two of Barbies here. We do the unboxing later in the next video, okay, guys?
This is yours. Leah, I'll open
Oh,
it
this
for
for
you.
Leah. Why the box is so big
I don't know.
for Leah?
Then push.
Whoa. Yeah.
Snowflake, snowy.
Whoa.
What is this? What is snowflake?
Whoa. Oh. Oh.
Okay. Let's open this cake. Leah,
It's already open.
what?
Whoa.
Leah, you got a mini Barbie
It's
doll.
on your list.
And
Guys,
yes,
Leah got mini Barbie. Tiki 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 tiki.
Yay!
Yeah, and then what? That's only this.
Are you happy,
Okay.
Leah?
I'm so happy. I'm so happy.
You like it?
Yeah, so much. That's for you. Cha-cha.
Me.
Can I?
No.
Yes.
What's that? Ooh.
That's not bad.
Bag.
Maybe?
Paper bag.
Yep, a paper bag, but I'll open it for you.
Okay. What's inside the paper bag?
Oh, there's a cake.
A tip. Just broke it, darling. It's okay. Okay. Oh, you have a long nail.
See, mommy.
Yeah, okay.
What is it stuffy?
Oh,
I
squeezy.
like it.
It's on your list?
Yeah.
Look, squeeze me. Oh, wow. Oh. Good.
It's Squeezy doll.
Yeah, squeezy doll, look. Oh. The material is good, darling. It's a doll. So it's not like before. It will not broke, darling. Like this squeezy as usual. Right?
Yeah. I
So this
love
is-
it.
Guys, this is squeezy. Look. So but it's a doll. So this is from
I have it.
Squeeze.
Mellow.
Squeeze them out, no.
Okay.
Squeeze them out, yeah. Okay.
I
What?
like it.
You like it? On your list?
No. Yeah.
Okay.
I see squish. That's my big one.
That one first?
No,
No.
it's too hard to get it.
This one first? Yeah, the-
Later, that's the one.
What's that?
Why super big? It's giant. A ball in the box. I love this ball.
You like it?
Alright, open. Open.
Try to open. It's not open.
Okay.
It's not open. What? Guys, a bag. Wow, a bag of Zara, right? Is yeah, look cute for party. You like it, darling? The color is purple. Nice. Thank you, Santa. Another big one.
Thank you. I'm gonna name it Ladybug.
Ladybug.
Ladybugs. Okay.
No, I'm gonna name it Uni.
Uni.
Yeah, because I love Uni. Another Zara box.
Another Zara box. Yes.
Here's
There you go,
one.
mommy. Have to open it,
I
mommy.
think I know how to open my
What? What?
A Barbie
What?
color reveal.
Yeah, but this one is pop reveal. You
A
never
pop
have
Barbie?
it. Yeah, pop reveal, darling. Look
This is
Wow.
cool.
on your list.
Yeah,
Guys.
I think Barbie color reveal and this.
Barbie pop reveal, guys. Look, it's I think the same with Barbie color reveal. So it has
love
8
it.
surprises. We open this next, okay?
Yep.
We'll do the unboxing. So just wait for the video of unboxing this,
I'm
guys.
opening yours. You got also Barbie color reveal.
This one, yeah.
Yeah, Leo got the Barbie color reveal too. And mine is pop reveal. Leah got.
You got the same. You guys are the
Leah
same.
got the fruity.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Yeah, you got the Barbie color reveal too.
Can you? Oh, Barbie
Share
color
with
reveal.
Tata.
Guys, this one is Barbie color reveal, guys.
Leah likes.
Oh, sorry. For challenge. So this is
No, this
7
for Leah.
surprises. Oh, this for Leah? This one? Oh, this one for
That's
Chacha.
mine.
This is for Leah. This is for Chacha. Okay. So we do the
Do you
unboxing in the
love
next
it?
video, guys.
The last one.
Oh, I like it. I like it so much.
Yeah, I got another one. What? Why there's no name?
Yeah. Just open it, darling. Maybe Santa forgot.
Not Santa.
Huh?
Santa gives some. Oh, I think both of them are mine. This is Leah's.
Yeah.
This is Leah. What?
There's a card, I think.
Wait,
Open this one first.
this is Leah's, Pa.
Yeah. This is color reveal too.
Yeah.
Maybe just read the card.
I broke it.
Read, mommy. Huh? What? Kamu?
Tika and Mika.
Oh, when she said it?
Enggak tahu aku.
Oh, this is from Miss Chica. Oh, Miss
That's from my
Chica.
DJ Blue teacher.
Charles teacher until now. Thank you for the Christmas present. Barbie color reveal. You want it too. Wow, how Miss Chica knows about it. Wow.
Maybe Santa.
Thank
wrote-
you.
Maybe Santa wrote it. This is mine.
Oh, type it again later.
This is
Wow.
mine. This is mine.
Yes, darling.
This is mine, look, guys. Another one.
Oh, look, that's some kind of your teacher, darling, Miss Chica. Right?
Santa rule that I get. Aba. With Barbie
What?
stuff.
What is that? Barbie stuff.
And I got this.
Barbie stuff, guys.
So many
And I got this. Whoa.
Look, 3 bags of Barbie stuff, guys.
I love it.
Whoa.
Thank you,
no.
Santa.
Ho ho ho! You are welcome. What else? What's one?
This is yours.
Open up, mommy. Mommy, you're not on the screen. One.
Why you always say that?
Mommy, always move back, move back.
Okay, I'm gonna open my big one.
There's some present over
Yeah,
there.
but it's hard to get it.
I can help you. It's easy for you. Look, mommy's present. What? Mommy got. What's that? Show
Shirt.
first, mommy. Whoa, a T-shirt, guys, for mommy.
Let's just-
Guys.
I'm
Okay.
gonna open my big one now.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Oh,
Mickey Mouse.
I think this is the main present
Okay, I'm
that you're
gonna
waiting for. Ooh, ooh,
What's that?
ooh.
Is it true or not?
Are you sure? Santa
Sure.
made it for you?
It's not wrong. Get the box.
Whoa! What? What? Look at Santa's face. What? What?
This is what you're waiting for.
Yeah.
The 71 centimeters Barbie? 28 inch Barbie? What? You happy, darling? Oh, thank you, Santa. Oh, oh, oh. It's super wet.
Yeah.
You happy? Wow, guys, we will do the unboxing later in the next video again. Yeah, Cha? We'll do the unboxing later.
Barbie too.
Oh, Barbie looks so real. 71 centimeters, guys. Look,
Oh.
you want to put where, Mom? Just put
Drop
here,
it.
okay? I'll put it nice.
Okay, let's get another present.
No space for challenge.
I'll get this, guys. Oh,
It
fine.
is
This is yours. I guess this is yours.
For Papa? Ho, ho, ho.
Yeah.
Are you happy?
Yep.
Yeah?
Is yours?
Open it, Papa.
Ah, real. Sorry, you.
Open it. Ho, 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 ho.
Whoa, guys, I got two Hot Wheels. Honda Monkey and Super Cup. Yay, both are my favorite. But you only have this one, the real. You're gonna have this one for the real, okay?
Okay.
Super Cup. Okay, thank you, Santa.
Careful, honey.
Okay,
This is for who?
I don't know.
This no name?
This is Leah.
Oh, for Leah. You open.
My feet is stuck. Leah, come here. This is yours.
Oh, okay, okay, I will come. I want to see it.
Is this a box? I'll open it. Okay, Leah, I'll open the box.
Help me. Okay, okay.
You got the...
Towel, small towel on your list, right?
Yeah.
Wow, Santa knows everything. Small towel for Leah. Oh, I like it. I can use it for shower.
Yep.
Oh, thank you.
That is the last.
Last one, I'm missing.
For who?
What you hit? Huh? Okay, this is for Papa. The last.
The last.
What? Oh, oh, oh. I see what's inside.
It's a Zara box.
Zara box.
Open the Zara box.
Guys, you open it for Papa.
You got a t-shirt.
Oh, I got a t-shirt, polo shirt of Zara. Thank you, Santa. Okay, I think all that. Oh, last two. Keep on, Ma. Keep on, Ma. That's me. This me.
I know.
Okay, keep my
Mba. Cuckoo.
So Santa also prepare
I'm
present
going
for
to get
Santa.
Cuckoo.
Okay, guys. Santa, Charlotte will give to Mbak. Okay, Charlotte already give to Mbak. Mbak Eni is at the back. Okay, guys. Okay, Mbak. Thank you. Okay, guys. So come here. We do the closing. Come, here. So guys, so that's the happiness of opening all the present, the Christmas present under the tree that prepared by Santa. So we're gonna do some other video about Christmas, especially unboxing some of the toys later. Okay, so
Bye.
bye and Merry